Well, as you can see, yeah, we're right here at the lake. I'd say when the lake's down, these rock bluffs and everything is so freaking cool. I'm definitely going to have to come back this winter when they drop the lake. Of course, there's people's trash everywhere, which is always a shame. I don't like to see all that. But there's garbage, trash, you know, everywhere. If you look, busted beer bottles and things, that's not good. But we're going to continue on. Let's do this. Missing the line, I think. That looks like a draw. Those little tiny tires, man, they draw like you wouldn't believe. Maybe get up here. See if I can use those sticks that I put in that hole. Get up on you. Come on, little RC element. Oh man, overshot. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to hand-to-God it right there a little bit. I hand-to-Godded it from that point to this point, but that's okay. I think she'll crawl the rest of it now. Got her positioned, maybe. Oh yeah. Right across this ledge here. Man, this is cool. Some awesome terrain here. There's a silly dog. Yeah, she's been in the lake already. So we're gonna try to crawl around through here, get up on that, and see where we can go from that point. Don't know if we'll be able to go much farther, but at least we can get up on that bluff. That'll be cool. Here we go. Remember, I ain't done no upgrades to this truck at all. I'm still running with stock tiny tires, stock suspensions, straight out of the box, man. This thing is getting it. Not yet, barrel. There we go. Get off that steering knuckle. This was gonna be tricky. Got a little build up here. Let's see if I can get this truck up on the build up. It'll work. So good. Oh, look at that baby go. I'm telling you what, these little tiny tires on this little truck, this thing is like, it's unstoppable, man. Don't want to lose it right here, that's for sure. We go right to the lake. I think I'm going to move in a little bit. got her positioned out, maybe to climb on up through there without going into the lake. Oh yeah. Look at that thing, man. It's side bicycle here without tipping over. Yep, that's a gasket right there, something like that. You can choose my lines here. Tough stuff right here, man. Gotta rip it out there. Heck yeah. That's fun. Alright. We made it up through there. I think we're just going to go to this point right here for right now. We're going to call this conquered until this lake goes down. I do believe. Short little Trailwalker, yes, Apeman RC Trailwalker. I'm telling you, tiny tires, it's awesome.